Welcome to this episode of Ride Restorers, and in front of me here I have the engine to the GPZ900R, and my job today is to completely dismantle this engine and lay it in its component form on the benches that I have behind me here. So before I pull this engine apart, I've got to clean all the grease and the grit and the grime off that's been building up over the past 3 decades. But whilst I do that, why don't we go back to Brian's garage and see what he's been doing.
There we go. There it is. Then we've got a whole subframe. On to the next job. Finally released the brake mount. We're getting down to the bare bones. Pair of forks.